Good afternoon, all. We will start our session in a couple of minutes. Let the people join. So there are 50 students, participants in your class, and 31 have joined. So wait for a couple of students to. There is no need for sending uh, your details, right? I'll have another way of taking your attendance, so don't worry. Fine. So I guess it's good to go now. Uh, Before we start this, let's have understand the rules of the game, how we will go for it. This is a Zoom platform. It may be new for you people. So here I have logged your sound and you cannot do anything over here. It has been logged, but I'm going to make this session engaging, interesting, believe me. So one by one we'll go for it. So I am Dr. Deepak Mashru. I'm here to talk about proficiency module for your induction program. Fine. So we will start one by one. This is me. I'm here because you are there to listen to me. This is the logic why I'm here. Fine. So when you are there on the campus, we'll be able to meet on one-on-one. And we'll have lots of discussions, right? But right now we'll have discussion online through this Zoom module. Fine. Okay. Now you will have around 7 to 8 sessions for this proficiency module. During this proficiency module of this journey of 9 sessions, what shall we do is we'll try to help you to take you to the next level so far as your English proficiency is concerned. So we'll talk about it. You all must be happy and on the cloud 9 as you are in college now. So you can have 3 cheers for yourselves. And I congratulate all you people. Fine. What I'll do is I'll allow you to unmute yourselves. And I also allow you to share your chat, right? Share your feelings, emotions through the chat program, right? Or this chat module. So first of all, congratulations for being the college student. Now, if you want to know about me, that who am I and what I am, so in that case, because today's session is somewhere we need to talk about ourselves. So here, this is a link which I have shared of my YouTube channel. You can you can find details about me, right? If you want to know that what are the things that I know about, this is what I have contributed in terms of my own mobile applications, Google Voice Assistant applications. Find my contribution to ELT. So different courses and all that that it is there. So by the time when you are there, you can look at it and you can go for it. Even if you know that what is the biggest great Indian festival, that is Amazon. Even in Amazon, if you write uh, from your mobile application itself, if when you write Deepak Mashru plus books, you will find that all my books which I have authored, what has been published, you can find about me. So this is the way we can go for it. So here I can talk about myself, what I am and all this. Right. Kashyap, very good. Thank you. Fine. So we'll have lots of discussions. Urvi has raised that, Urvi, if you have any question or query, you can unmute yourself and you can speak, right? I get never disturbed by my students. So whenever I'm talking, when you find that you have a question or query, you can definitely raise a query and you can go for it. There's no problem. So what I shared about it, the link and all, it's to everybody. Later on, you can look at it and you can go for it. So it will help you in that way. Now, in today's session, what we want to do is we're going to talk about how to introduce yourself when you are in college, in English medium college. So people will ask you that, okay, can you introduce yourself? This question will be there everywhere, wherever you go. For example, if you want to go for admission process, they will ask you. After completing your education, you want to go for placement, they will ask you. If you want to go for a foreign trip, you apply for visa, they will ask you. Fine. So there are n number of areas, n number of occasions where people will ask about you. So why don't we start our proficiency module with this thing, that how we can introduce ourselves effectively. See, I tell you that there is nobody on the earth who knows you better than you, right? But thing is that we even know that about ourselves, but we sometimes we fail to express our details or ourselves. Why? Because we have not tried. That's why. It is not that we don't know, but we have not tried. That's why we face problem. So that's the problem over here. So we'll talk about this issue. Now what I'll do is I want to talk about the 7 wonders of self-introduction. 7 wonders means there are 7 things that you need to add in your self introduction. It starts with name, personality, age, family and background, education, hobbies, and future plans. Not necessarily it should be there in this sequence. Sequence can be different, there's no problem, right? And above all, you can add certain points to this list. You can delete certain points from this. It depends on the situation, where you are there and what you are talking about. It depends on there, but in a generalized way, right, we can say that there are 7 things, 7 wonders, right, that one should incorporate, include in self introduction. Fine. Okay, now I'll take your 6 minutes here, right, to help you understand this. I'll take you to the YouTube, and there I'll show you how we can go for, how we can understand self introduction. To give you 1 minute so that I can take you to that level. Hello friends. Yes, so this is something I would like to show you. Now the same thing, the link of this video I'm sharing with you people. Later on, if you can, if you watch, if you wish to watch, you can watch it. 6 minutes, look at this, and then we'll come back to the point. Hello friends, welcome to the next video on introducing yourself. Introducing yourself is considered to be the first step when 2 or more persons start the conversation in order to know each other. There is nobody on the earth who knows you better than you. Sounds fine, no? However, you may have found many times that you fail to introduce yourself in an effective manner. The reason is very simple, and that is lack of knowledge, rather skills to do so. Let's discuss the various components of students. If you there is more like watching this, that's why I've shared the link. Later on, for review purpose, you can click on the link and you can watch it from your mobile phone, right, device. So here, if you can watch the video and understand the concepts, that will help you, right? Because the sound is increased to the maximum level. Whatever I could do, that I have done that, fine. But there may be some limitation, I don't know, right? So you bear with me for that, right? Introducing yourself. Okay.
I'm going to talk about 7 vendors of self-introduction. It starts with name, personality, age, family and background, education, hobbies, and future plans. We start with the name. You can say, my name is Deepak, I am Deepak, this is Deepak. You must have heard people talking about myself Deepak. Please do not use that. That is not the right expression to say your name. So you cannot start myself Deepak. You can use any of these 3 options to tell your name. I tell you again, you can say, my name is Deepak, I am Deepak, this is Deepak. Second is personal.
So here, make sure that when you start self-introduction, you start that my name is, I am, this is. Never start your self-introduction with myself. This is a wrong expression.
This is Deepak. Second is personality. This sentence talks about you. So you can select an adjective or set of adjectives which suit your personality. You can say that I am creative, I am a courageous person, I am sociable, I am very proactive, I am flexible. In that way, you can pick and choose the adjective that suits your personality. Second is age. When you say somebody that I am 29 years old, that is very old-fashioned way of telling age. Instead of that, what I've done is I have divided age in 4 parts. For example, if you are between 20 to 24, you can say I'm in my early 20s. If you are 25, you can say I'm in my middle of 20s. If your age is between 26 to 29, you can say I'm in late 20s. If you're 30, you can say I'm 30. You can say I am 16, I'm 17, I'm 19. That is also a right way, rather effective way of telling your age. Family and background. For background, you can say I am from, you can talk about your native place. For example, I say I am from Rajkot, I am from Gujarat, I am from India. Please do not use the expression like I belong to Rajkot or I'm coming from Rajkot, right? That is not the appropriate way of telling your background. Then comes to your family. You can say my father's name is and my mother's name is. This is a very common mistake found in students while telling their father's and mother's name. They generally omit apostrophe s. For example, people generally say that my father's name is, my mother's name is. So please don't forget to use apostrophe s. My father's name is ABC, for example, and my mother's name is XYZ. Then if you want to talk about your brothers and sisters, you can tell them, I have a brother or I have 2 brothers and a sister or 2 sisters. Their names are, you can tell the names. Or another way of telling your family, you can say that we are blank members in my family. My father, talk about your father's name, my mother, mother's name, and brother and sister's name. And then you can end the sentence like, are my brothers and sisters. Education. I have completed blank and pursue blank from blank. What is that? I have completed my 12th and pursue computer engineering from Marwari University. So in the first blank, you talk about degree that you acquired. Second blank will talk about the degree that you pursue. And third blank will talk about the college or university from where you pursue your degree. Generally, in introduction, people say that I am pursuing my engineering. I am pursuing using continuous present tense is not right way. So use simple present tense, I pursue. Or you can say that I am the student of mechanical engineering in Marwari University. So in that way also, you can talk about your education in your self-introduction. Hobbies. Hobbies can be described in these many ways. Look at the screen. I would love to play cricket. I'm crazy about playing cricket. I prefer to watch cricket during my free time. So this way you can talk about. But if your hobbies are more than one, in that case, you need to make sure that you mention each hobby in the parallel form. Look at the example. My hobbies are to play cricket and reading books. If you look at the highlighted words in yellow color, to play and reading, that means both the verbs are in different form. So that is the error of parallelism. That means each of the verb in the sentence should be in parallel form. It is not there, that's why it's error of parallelism. You can say like that, my hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. Or you can say that my hobbies are to play cricket and read books.
So that means whatever way you select, if you want to go with ing, you go with ing. Then that case, for every verb there should be ing. If you want to go with to, that is infinitive form, there should be infinitive everywhere. So you need to select the parallel form. Parallel means equal. So every expression, every hobby should be mentioned in equal form. Fine. That is called parallelism.
So in either of the ways, you can tell your hobbies. Future plans, I aim to become an engineer. I am to become a professor. I am to become a technocrat. I am to become a businessman. I would like to become, my future plan is to become. You can use these expressions to talk about your future plans.
Okay. So till now, if you have any difficulty or question, right, you can raise in the chat box, or if it is clear, please type clear in the chat box so that I understand that it is clear with you people. If it is clear, please type clear in the chat box, everyone. Excellent. So this is the reason why I always select computer engineering class, because everybody in computer engineering is so fast. So yes, so you can definitely win KBC's fastest finger first, everyone, because I can see that the way with lightning speed you are writing clear is very impressive. Excellent, everybody. Now, so what shall we do is we want to we want to go for activity that everyone can need to speak one by one or share one by one self introduction. Now, problem is you are more than 40 people, 41 people, right? So 40 people speak for 1 minute, that would be more than 40 minutes. And when one person is speaking, another 39 people would be free. When you are free, you will start thinking about different things. So what I've done is I want to make you people engaged. I want to make you people interesting. We need to go for interesting things. So what shall I do is we want to write self introduction today, but in a different way. This would be the first ever experiment, right, or experience from you people, that everybody would be doing it collaboratively. Now I want everyone to click on the link which I have shared here. The link which I have shared here, everybody please click on it. Great. Now I can see that people would start joining here in this Google Sheet, right? So Sufyan Khan has joined, right? Some anonymous has joined. So you need to select your Marwadi's email ID. Click on this link and you will be here. Everyone, click on the chat, right? The link in the chat box which I have shared with you people. Click on it and you will be redirected here. So everyone, kindly click on it faster. Very good. People are joining slowly. Now what you need to do is here whatever 6-7 things that we decided here, that I have created columns. So name, you need to write name, your personality, age, family background, education, hobbies, future plans. This 7 lines you need to write here. Fine, and that would be your attendance. If you complete this, this will be considered as marked as your attendance. Fine. If you have any difficulty or query, you can ask me. You can unmute your mic and you can ask me. You can write in the chat box, right? But I want you people to start writing here.
सर एडिट करने के लिए वहाँ पे सर ऐप डाउनलोड करने के लिए आ रहा है सर।
नहीं, ये आप एक्सप्लोरर में जाके करोगे तो भी हो जाएगा, गूगल क्रोम में जाके करोगे तो भी हो जाएगा।
ओके सर।
Right? You copy this link, paste to Google Chrome, from in any browser from your mobile device. You will be able to edit it. ठीक है? Deep, you need to write, my name is Deep Tumor, I am Deep Tumor, like this. Fine. The way we write our self introduction, you need to write in that way. Write Deep. Excellent, Samyak. Samyak Shah. This is Samyak Shah. This is what I am looking for. Very good, Samyak. I want everybody to join because there are only 11 people who have joined. What about the rest? Fine. Okay, Sufyan Khan has entered the detail. Very good. Jaideep has entered the detail. Excellent, Jaideep. Very good. Vishant Singhala has also entered the detail. Very good. Aditya Kumar, you need to write, I am Aditya Kumar, my name is Aditya Kumar, this is Aditya Kumar. In this way, you need to mention, right, Aditya? Sahil has mentioned. Very good, Sahil. Sir, can I do it later? I can hardly attend the meeting due to poor connection. Subham, it will not consume more data. Go for it. Kashyap, no problem. We have enough time. Fine. Take your time, beta. No problem. Nirmal, what you need to do is you need to click on this link. If it asks you to download, you can download Google Sheet, right? It's no problem. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go to Google, email. From email, you can, go for more, and you can find Google Sheets, right? You can go for it. Okay, Nirmal, no problem. Go for it. Very good, beta. Jaideep has completed 3 layers. Very good, Jaideep. Aditya, you need to write, I am an active boy. I am a proactive person, because we need to write Jaideep and Sufyan and Aditya. We need to mention one word. Okay, Isha, very good. You have come up with different style. Italic, very good, beta. My age is 17. Aditya, we need to write, I am 17, or I in my late, I am 17. You can write, my age is 17. Instead of that, I am 17. Right? Sufyan, I should be capital. Very good. My name is Paras Thakkar. Very good, Paras. Vandit Chovatia. Vandit, V and C should be capital. Better change it. Vishnu, need to capital, put your V and L in capital form. Fine. Gautam, this is Gautam. Very good, Gautam. Gautam, you need to convert your G and S into capital letters. Fine. Very good. Shyam has added, okay, 51. Shyam would be new student. Very good, Shyam. I am self-disciplined. Okay, we need to write self-disciplined person, right? I am a creative person. I am Samyak. You need to add something, right? Very good. I am in late tens. See, Vishan, this will be applicable after 20s, right? So here everybody would have to write I am 17, 18, 19, whatever is there. Fine. I'm not going to verify your Aadhaar card, so you can write whatever it comes to your mind, right? So if you want to hide your actual age, you can do that. I don't mind it. I have completed my 12th standard. Fine. You can mention like that. You can add more details. Very good. My father is teacher. Very good. Uh, Aditya. Very good. So people have started writing. Okay. Afnan, beta, you need to write B capital, right? Bukhari, B should be capital. I'm very helpful and creative person, right? That you need to write. Okay. Isha, you need to write I capital, H capital, right? Okay. What about Dhruv, Siddharth, Vidhi, Sohan, Jai has not started. Jai Kakkar, where are you? Partratsi, where are you? Shrey, Ria, you have not started yet. This is your this activity is your attendance. So I whoever is written will be considered as the person has attended. Forum Mavani has written, very good Forum. You complete this faster. Harshad has written, very good Harshad. I am creative but introvert too, right? When we write, also can be here before this in between the sentences. At the end we write two, TOO. Fine. I am creative and introvert. If you write like this, will do. There is no need to write but also, right? Okay. Aryan, you have not started. Rahul, Rahul is active now. Ramesh Kumar has not written something. So Ramesh Kumar, you need to write something. Archana, if you are present, start writing better. I am Palak. You need to write a full name, Palak. So I am P capital of Palak, and then you write Kantaria, right, Palak? Then I am a creative person, a dynamic person. Article, you should not forget. Fine. Oh, Jyoti has written something. Hi, I am Vekaria Jyoti. Very good, Jyoti. This is a nice expression. Hi, this is something, you've done something new. Very good. But beta, V and J should be capital, right? Otherwise, this is something exceptional. Very good. So Kashyap, Jeel Kansagra and Kashyap Goyani, they are not there. Yeah. Uh, Trying to since long. Okay, link. Okay, I'll send a link again. Fine, for your reference. This is the link. Siddharth, right? Ria, what you can do is you can copy this link, right, and paste it there in any of the browser. Ria, do you are you using your mobile or laptop? Can you tell me? Mobile. Okay. Is it Android or iPhone? Android. Okay, beta. Then you go for Google Chrome, copy this link, fine, and paste there, right? And log in with your Marwadi's email ID. You will be able to access it. Fine. Okay, beta. Hetvi, you need to be there somewhere in network. Ask for somebody's hotspot or something, right? If it does not work, tell me. Okay, Nirmal and Kashyap. I guess now Siddharth, you will be able to do it, right? Let's check it out. Okay, Archana, this will not take much, bytes. It's a very common thing. It is not a video, so if you can try, it will help you. Kashyap has written. Very good. Kashyap is back to the business. Very good, Kashyap. Archana, you better try it out. Fine. Okay, Palak, you need to make P and K capital. Prachi, beta, you need to make P capital, right? J and V capital. Fine. Oh, somebody has added this delete column, right? Personality. Okay. Please don't make any other changes, right? In Excel. Otherwise, people will get confused. Okay, I want to become software engineer. Very good. Successful will make software engineering. Okay. So you need to write sentence. If you find any difficulty, if you want to revise uh, about that video, fine. What you can do is I'm sharing the link of that video here in the chat box, right? So you can visit it again, understand it, and then come back and write. There is no problem. We have enough time. Very good. Okay, new idea, new plan creative. Afnan, you need to mention better like this. I am a creative person like this. I'm very creative and quick learner. Very good. I am a hungry learner. Oh, Dhruv, very good. Dhruv, this is something exceptional. Very good. I'm self-disciplined person. Self, S small, then hyphen. It's a compound word. S and D small, right? Siddharth. Okay, Subham. Let me check. Subham, what is your enrollment number? Fine. You improvise it. Still, see, we need to wait for people. Fine. So we'll within 5 minutes time we'll wind it up and we'll go to the next phase. Fine. So till then, you help your friends or you look at it and you see that how you can make it more effective. Fine. Subham and Nirmal. But I'm very happy that both of you have completed tasks fastest, right? Yeah, Subham, 17 years. But I have told you that we not to write 17 years old. I'm 17, that's all. I'm from Rajkot, Gujarat. My father owns a business. Okay. Okay. Hetvi, I understand Gujarati too. તમને કાંઈ બીજો પ્રોબ્લેમ હોય હેતવી તો મને કહો હું અહીંથી હેલ્પ કરી શકીશ અચ્છા નેટવર્કનો ઇશ્યુ છે બેટા ઓકે નો ઇશ્યુ વાવ look at this everybody is active Pathraj C, Shrey, Ria, Pradeep, Vedic, Archana, Vishnu, Jeel. Only these few people are not active. Okay. Archana and Het, right? I'll consider your case, right? Hetvi, I'll consider your case. Before I, complete the class, I'll make sure that your attendance is marked because you are present here, right? No problem. Ria, no problem, beta. It's okay. Fine. So you be here and you understand it. Later on, I'll keep this file open for you people. So you can later on, you can edit it, right? No problem. This is first time we are doing and see how excellently people are doing. So this is something, a new experiment, new experience. So it might not work. It's okay. Fine. Every time we succeed in everything, it is not possible. So it's okay. Oh, Jai Badaria has come with different color. Excellent. See, this is creativity, which I have not told you, but you people are experimenting. This is something good. So we could last 5 minutes time. Within 5 minutes time, you need to complete this, right? So those who are, still remaining, for example, Ninad has not done anything. So Ninad, if you are present, if you have a question or query, you tell me as you complete this task. Then Parthrajsi, if you have a problem, please ask me. Shrey, if you have a problem. Ria has mentioned that she has a net connectivity problem. Pradeep, Vedic, and Dakshit, Prashant. If you are present, please complete this task. Ramesh, if you have any problem, let me know or you complete this. Fine. Rahul, need to complete this. Aryan, here it is, your name has been removed, so add your name here. Okay, Rahul, no problem. Fine. You check it out. If you restart your phone, if it's working, you can do it. Otherwise, you can do it later on. No problem. Phone. Phone problem. So I can consider this, right? Ria net connection. Yes, attendance बन जाएगा. Rahul, don't worry. राहुल, आप अभी लेक्चर में हो तो अटेंडेंस बनेगा, आपका लगेगा. डोंट वरी. ठीक है, लेकिन आपकी जिम्मेदारी है, आपको ये खत्म करना है. ठीक है, एक्टिविटी. ठीक है बेटा. Then Hetvi has net connection issue, so I'll mention it. Okay, who else has a problem? I guess Archana had a problem, so I mentioned there. Afnan, don't change color here, name of student. You are allowed to make changes from name, personality only. No, 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 Subham, it is not done. We have so many things to do. You don't get bored. Don't make any changes here. Okay. Fine. So time being, uh, I will change the permission. Said now you can see, you cannot add, edit, delete anything because we want to talk about it, right? Okay, everyone, now look at this, the way you people have worked. See, excellent thing, right? So what shall I do is I'll go through it, and in the next session when I come back, I'll talk about it. Fine. See, Ninad, some people are remaining. So what I'll do is I will open this. I'll update the permission after 10-15 minutes after the lecture gets over, right? For 2-3 hours. So if you want to update it, you can update it. There is no problem in that, right? Okay. Now, so how was your experience? Can you share? See, you can open your unmute your mic and you can speak. You can write it there in the chat box. Okay, great, great, great. So I want some people, maybe 2 or 3 persons, 4 persons, fine. If you can, speak about your introduction, self-introduction. Fine, I guess Subham can help me. Subham? You were the first one, Nirmal, you were the first one to complete it. So if you can unmute your mic and if you can speak about self-introduction. And along with that, you can share your experience. Over to you. So I request Subham Jani to share his
Sir,
experience. Yep.
what do I have to say, sir? I I was facing a bit internet error for a while. Can you hear me,
Yeah,
sir?
yeah. Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so I learned about when I I'm writing my resume or something like that. So what to put in that and what to tell about yourself and those kind of things.
Okay. So how was your experience, overall experience?
Yeah, it was good. I really enjoyed it.
Okay. Thank you. Can you speak about self-introduction, what you've written? Or casually, you
Uh,
can speak. Whatever comes to your mind, no problem. 7 things.
about myself.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I will start with my name. I am Shubham Jani. I am 17. I I studied from PV Modi School from Rajkot. Uh, I can say that I am a stubborn person. Like once I start anything, like I am studying Python, the programming language right now, and when I'm learning that, I face many errors. And once I face an error, I have to solve it. You know, I cannot get up from the chair till I solve the error. So that I think is a quality, but it also has downsides. Am I still audible?
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead. You can talk about your hobbies, your future plans,
Yes.
if you wish
Okay.
to. Yeah.
I am interested in music. I know a little bit about tabla, and my future plans. I am really interested in open source projects. Like there are so many things in the open source community that we can use for totally free, and thousands of people contribute to it. So in the future, like when I can do those things, I want to contribute to that.
Right.
Yes, so that's pretty much it.
Excellent.
Thank you,
So
sir.
I'm happy to have you in the class. Right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, anybody else? Subham, we have got one beautiful word called victim shopping. Victim shopping means, when we go for nominating friend. Fine. So I know that this is first day, second day. So you may not have friends, but you may have some other friends. So if you can nominate somebody.
Yes, Samyak Shah is my friend. He was in school with me.
Okay, Samyak. Right. So Samyak, if you can share your experience and your self-introduction. Samyak.
Hello.
Yeah. Subham, you mute yourself. Subham.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, Samyak, you first tell me about your experience and self-introduction.
Shubham. Yeah. Okay. Okay. As the Shubham told, we enjoyed it and learned so many things. And now we won't be confused when we have to introduce ourselves in to other people. And mm, yes.
Fine, no issue, no issue. You can go back to revisit the video and you can come back and you talk about yourself, no problem. Samyak, you can nominate your friend, somebody else, from the list. It's not necessarily you know that person, but you can ask somebody.
Hmm. Jaideep Sangani.
Okay, Jaideep. Jaideep, if you can unmute your mic and speak. Jaideep, are you there?
Good afternoon. Yes,
afternoon.
yes, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I'm Jaideep Sangani and I'm from Rajkot. I completed my 12th standard
Okay,
from
Jaideep.
SJ.
Yeah, Jaideep,
Yes.
1 minute. After Jaideep, I'm going to ask Isha. Isha to share her views and self-introduction. So Isha, get ready, right? Jaideep, continue.
I have completed my 12th standard from SJP International School, Ahmedabad. And my father is a businessman. He owns a factory and my mother is a housewife. And I love to play snooker in my free time. And I want to make an AI based program which can fill the task in robots or machines by using computer language. So that's it, sir.
Excellent. I have very good, sweet memories related to SGVP Charodi, right? Someday when we meet, we'll cherish our memories. Fine.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Isha, if you can share. Isha, are you there?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, please, beta, go ahead.
Hello. I'm Nisha. My name is Isha. I'm from Rajkot. I completed my 12th in school, Utkarsh School of Excellence, and my hobbies are dancing. I love dancing, sketching. I love to hear music. Um, I'm 17. That's it.
Okay, fine, Isha. Now, victim shopping.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay, here.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity, Isha.
Okay, here,
You're
start.
most welcome. I'm Hiya Parekh. I live in Rajkot and I passed my 12th from Nirmala Convent School. And I think when all of us will meet, you will find me a little weird because sometimes I talk like an extrovert and then I get really silent. So that's one thing about my personality. And I really love to dance and sing and talk with my friends. That's all.
Right. Here, one question I would like to ask you, that people said that Nirmalites are very intelligent and disciplined, right?
Yes.
But actually Nirmalites are very notorious. I tell you why. Yeah, because my two daughters, they both study in Nirmala, right? So I'm proud father of two daughters and both are Nirmalites, right? So that's why I have that personal notion about Nirmalites. I hope I'm right.
Absolutely. It was supposed to be a secret.
Fine. Yeah, now it's time for victim shopping.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
I would choose Archana.
Okay. Archana, if your computer connectivity is restored, if you can speak. Archana. Okay, Archana, I guess Archana may have a problem. Aditya Kumar. Aditya? Aditya Kumar, if you can unmute your mic. आदित्य
Yeah.
बिहार से हो आप?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, हम क्या कर रहे हैं?
Yeah, yes, yes, sir.
थोड़ा बोलेंगे आप अपने बारे में बताएंगे?
Sir, I speak in English.
You can speak English.
Yes.
हाँ, तो बोलो ठीक है चलो.
I am Aditya. I have completed to pass it class 12th.
Yes, Aditya, go ahead. पूरा बोलना है, पूरा सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन बोलना है आपको.
My aim is my hobby is playing cricket and listening song. Thank you, sir.
ओके आदित्य, वेरी गुड। आदित्य आप कहाँ से हो? बिहार में कहाँ से हो?
बिहार में सर मुजफ्फरपुर।
मुजफ्फरपुर, अरे वाह। अभी आपका जो सीनियर स्टूडेंट है ना, पूरा एक क्लास को मैंने पढ़ाया है कंप्यूटर में, एक क्लास है पूरा बिहार का, सो सबको मैंने पढ़ाया है। इसलिए तो उन्होंने मुझे क्या किया, दे टॉट मी बिहारी एंड आई टॉट देम
Yes, sir.
इंग्लिश। उनको इंग्लिश अच्छी नहीं आई लेकिन मुझे बिहारी आ गई।
Yes, sir.
फाइन, थैंक यू आदित्य। अभी नाउ,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
थैंक यू आदित्य। नाउ टू whom to ask? Palak, Palak, can you unmute your mic and speak?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Palak.
Hello. I am Palak Kantaria. I am 18. I completed 12th standard Royal School of from Doraji. My hobby is listening music. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. Then I want to be a software engineering.
Okay. Very good, Palak. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, Ria, are you there? If you can unmute your mic and speak about yourself. And specifically comments, any comments, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ria.
Hello, my name is Ria, and I have completed my 12th, and I'm from Rajkot, and I was studying in Shakti School, and sometimes I am bit introvert, so I feel shy while talking to someone, so.
Okay. So Ria, how was today's session?
I enjoyed it, but there was some network issues, so I was not able to complete my forms actually.
Okay, fine, no issues. Okay. Now, Jyoti.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you can comment about today's class and self-introduction.
Hi everyone. My name is Vekaria Jyoti. I'm from Rajkot. I'm very creative person. I'm 18. I'm completed 12th standard in Karvibai School. My hobbies are listening music, dancing, and reading books. My father is businessman and my mother is housewife. I went to become software engineering, and today's lesson is very great, awesome.
Okay, fine, thank you. Now, students, listen to me very carefully. I've been very happy to see that you people could speak in English, you could write there, but still you need some practice. It's not about not knowing, it's about practicing. So watch that video again and again, prepare a good script, right, and record it. Sometime in the next class, somewhere I'll ask you, I'll share one Google form where you need to record and you share your audio recorded speech or self-introduction for reference, right? So that will be a great thing. So one thing, wherever you go, one thing will be clear with you, that when somebody asks you that you studied English medium, right? Come on, tell me about yourself. You will be able to flatter them people. You will be able to impress them people, convince them people, right? Like anything. So it is a must thing to understand. So that was the thing that we wanted to go for it, right? I hope that we add lots of things. Now there are two things remaining, right? That is, we have many things to explore in the coming time, right? That is self-introduction here only. Whatever you have spoken, fine. You record. I'll explain you. I'll tell you in the next class. But till then, right? Take care of yourselves. Fine. See you in the next session, everybody. Bye. Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Bye.
આવજો.
આવજો.